Hey guys, it's Mr. Post. Today we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers. First thing you got to remember is that a negative over here times a negative is going to equal a positive. Okay? Remember this. A negative times a negative is going to equal a positive. Okay? And on the other side we have a negative times a positive is going to equal a negative. Okay, that's working for multiplication and division. So you have a negative times negative 3 times a negative 4 equals 12. It's positive 12 because a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, over this side you have a negative 3 times a positive 4 equals a negative 12. Okay? Okay, that also works with division as the same thing. We have a negative 12 divided by negative 12. Once again, it's a negative times a negative or a negative divided by a negative. It's going to equal a positive, and it equals a positive 3. Over here, we have negative divided by a positive. So it's a negative 12 divided by a negative or a positive 4 equals a negative 3. So it comes back up to the top. A negative times a positive is going to give you a negative. Okay? And a negative, I'm trying to get rid of the glare. Negative times a negative is going to give you a positive. Okay? These are rules you need to know and you need to remember, okay? Thanks a lot, guys.